Wake up the keypad firstly. Press 0 and the pound key to enter admin mode. The default admin password is 10 digits from 0 to 9. Now you can see the user menu. Here we got administrator and admin user. Now I set the administrator firstly. We can set password, fingerprint, or IC card. Now I try fingerprint firstly. Input a finger. You can input 3 different fingers here or 1 fingerprint. Okay, it's done. Press the start key to back to the previous menu. Now I can add new user. The start key to delete. And we can press 0 to switch between Chinese and English, between the uppercase and the lowercase. Name the user. Okay, Ben here. Now new user is created. We can set password, fingerprint, or IC card for the new user. We can set a password. Let's try finger. Okay, 3 times. Or input 3 different fingers. Both okay. Press the start key to come back to the previous menu. And let's try the IC card. Here I use my Mi Band NFC to work as an IC card. Now I try to open. Yes. And we can try the password to unlock. And use the fingerprint. Okay, it works perfectly. In the standby mode, you can press the pound key to ring. It has built-in chime. Next, let's check what we got in the admin settings. We got user, system setting. In system settings, we have remote control. You can add remote control here. And volume set, time set, factory. We got lock mode In lock mode, we got single key, double keys, and double users. And we got language switch. We have Chinese and English for both the display and voice prompts. Lock, about some information about the lock, and user again. Okay, exit. This lock will have an alarm and lock the system to prevent from operation for 3 minutes if the verification of access is wrong for 5 times. Now you can see now the system is locked. Now I'd like to show you how to share electronically keys from the app. You can set the time, the limit time of this electronically key. Okay, enter account name which has been registered in the same app. You can name this electronic key. Okay, this is for bank. Now we can share key. The key is shared successfully. And we lock the received account. Which has been shared with a new electronic key. Now you can see we have got the tips. Okay, receive it. Now on my mobile phone has Bluetooth off. Now we can switch on the Bluetooth firstly. Because this app unlocks via Bluetooth from the app. Open it again. Okay, now we can open it from the app. Unlocked. Waterlock. Sorry, the position is not correct. Okay, we try again. Okay. Let's try the temporary password. Firstly, we need to input the admin password and generate password. It will generate a new temporary password automatically. The password can be one time and not one time. We choose one time here. Okay, let's try. We can unlock with the one-time temporary password we just created. Okay, very good. We try it again with the same temporary password. No, it is invalid because we set one-time password. Now let me show you how to set normally open mode. Unlock by the admin and then press 2 and 8. It will enter normal open mode, so it will not auto-locking. Press the start key to exit open mode, and it will be locked automatically. Here we can add remote control. Okay, enter admin mode, and we come to system, and the first remote control, add remote control. Press 2 buttons at the same time. Okay, add success. Let's try to open the lock with the remote control. After unlock, press the lock key on the control to enter normally open mode. Press it again, exit open mode, and the lock will be locked on